Self-love ang isa sa priorities ngayon ni Widow's War lead star Bea Alonzo na nasaktan niya sa false narratives tungkol sa kanyang buhay. May nilinaw rin si Bea tungkol sa kanyang recent breakup. Yan ang chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Sporting a new look si Bea Alonzo in her short hair sa kanyang muling pag-upo sa GMA Integrated News interviews. Part daw ito ng pagganap niya as Sam Castillo sa Widow's War na mapapanood na simula July 1.
Itong show na to, what I love about it, lahat kami gray characters. So lahat kami manipulative. So ang sarap ng character ng parang minamanipulate mo yung mangyayari. So dito talaga, hindi mo alam kung sino yung pamatay. We always manipulate the truth.
Ang new look ni Bea, part din ng new Bea na gusto niyang ma-achieve. Isa raw sa priorities ng Widow's War star, ang love for self. Isa sa mga paraan ng pag-distress niya, ang pagbisita sa kanilang farm sa Zambales. Mas marami din siyang oras ngayon to be with her friends while playing paddle.
Yung newer version mo, anong nakikita mo?
Definitely maraming learnings. I think I'm more adaptable to change. Sometimes you just have to let things flow. Like, there are things that aren't meant for you, but there are things that are not permanent. But then you just have to flow with it. Sinasabi nga nila, you cannot give what you do not have. So if you don't love yourself, how can you love somebody else?
Naging malalim ang naging usapan namin tungkol sa matters of the heart. Naglabas ng saloobin ng Kapuso actress kung paano siya nasasaktan sa mga maling kwentong naglalabasan tungkol sa kanyang buhay. Nais na raw tuldukan ni Bea ang ilang fake news na naglabasan tungkol sa kanya.
Doon ako pinakasiguro naapektuhan kasi marami nagsispread ng false narrative about my life. And when you're going through something really difficult in your life and you have other people narrating it for you in a different way, very different from the way you see it and very different from the truth, sobrang sakit niya. Kasi, yes, it affects you because it's one thing to go through something silently, like a very, very huge heartbreak. But it's another thing to be going through it in front of the public nang iba yung narrative.
And people forget na ikaw yung nakipag-break eh. Ikaw yung unang naapektuhan eh.
Actually, that's false. That's false. Hindi ako yung nakipag-break.
So, what I mean is, ikaw yung nawalan ng relasyon.
Oo.
Since you mentioned that, I would ask that. So, hindi ikaw ang nakipag-break?
Oo, pero wag na natin pag-usapan yun. Let's leave it in the past and it's amicable, okay naman kami. I think it would be disrespectful to the relationship and to the other person to talk about it. It's a very sensitive topic and gusto kong bigyan ng respeto at gusto kong iwan sa magandang paraan what we had.
I respect that.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.